Welcome to the stream. I know that I think Cyberpunk's 2077 came out today. So that's a thing, right? Kind of hard to compete, but what are you going to do? I'm still going to stream anyway, you know? And I'm not going to stream Cyberpunk 2077, which is kind of it's a lot to say. They should make that shorter. Cyberpunk 77? I don't know. Whatever. All right. So today I'm going to do what I was doing before, working on Osprey, because I thought that was a really funny word. Hopefully. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the audio is working. So that only happened to me one time, but it was one time. It was just enough to where I'm always paranoid now. Really funny word. Okay, yeah, that's working. All right. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is stash these changes, and then I have to pull because someone submitted a pull request, right? I should actually let's see. Pull request. There was a pull request on a project that's like a few days old. Yes, Yosef. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is exactly what we were talking about in Gitter, and it happened, right? It freaking happened. Oh, I didn't know you could use to-dos as a... Oh, yeah, I guess you can. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, so see, he went through and changed all the lowercase to uppercase, right? So it's not quite like Sinatra, right? But I think that's fine. I think it's okay. I just, actually, what Common Lisp does that have? Common Lisp. I don't even think that has a get function, does it? Oh, it does. Look at that. But it's all uppercase. Oh no, there it is. Get. Yeah. Lisp. They have the they have the get functions. So you have to make the stuff uppercase, right? All the HTTP verbs uppercase. Oh, now I'm in the Gitter chat. So yeah, there it is. All there. They're all there, and seems like it works. So okay, I pulled that. And then I'm going to get my changes back in here. There's a conflict, of course. I'm going to use the upstream. No changes. Yeah, I'm just going to use this because I changed ordering. Oh, yeah. And then he also talked about, what does it say? Here's the first, it says uppercase. Yeah, so let's get ready to ugly him. If you accept this, finish on the new spirit. Format the code is spork format. I admit that the code looks nicer, behave more like specials, indent on next line, but I like the consistency of format. Okay, let's do spork format and see what it looks like. Well, let me finish doing this first. Okay, so use the upstream, right? Okay. And then I think now, oh, you know what? Actually, I don't want to change that yet. So yeah, I probably don't want to change this either. Okay, we're probably gonna leave this alone for the most part, right? What did I do here? Oh, okay. But I think there we go. Okay. Yeah. Oh, if you're not streaming. Oh, I wonder if do I have to, can I see the chat without? Yeah, I can. All right. Okay, so that's cool. Joseph, thank you very much. Again, I appreciate it. And then he says the changed formatting could be seen. Oh, I see. Okay, so I could see it without actually having to do spork format. I don't understand. What is, oh, I have, what is this, tabs? Oh man, did I do that? That's terrible. I can't believe I did that. It's really bad. Okay, so then, oh, do I have that there? No, right? Oh, I see. he removed the formatting. Oh, so the red is what it could be. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's not terrible, right? It's not horrible, but yeah, it's really indented, right? It's super indented. What if I just view it without the? Oh, geez, yeah, because it was. I have to go back in time. Let me see. Remove the formatting. How do I get it to files changed? Oh, commits. Here we go. Remove. Okay, so this whip starting. Okay, so he did it here. Okay, now I can view this file. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. Oh, all the things are aligned. This symbol. Okay. Maybe I have to get used to it. I don't know. I mean, everyone likes the prettier, right, thing. So, I don't know. Yeah. I should start a changelog. Let me see. Changelog. Even though I rarely update it. Okay, we'll do what, we'll do what, is it Calvin? Yeah, we'll do what he does. I should just call people by their GitHub names, right? Backpacking. We'll do what he does. Okay, let me see. He in a changelog. Hey, it could be anyone. I don't want to assume. You could literally be anyone behind there. So unreleased. Done with the thing. There we go. So we'll do that. We'll do that same thing. Unreleased. And then I guess I can look at it raw and see exactly what he does. Okay, changelog. All notable changes. I mean, that's a changelog. Okay, let's see here. So then it's just a list of bullets. Okay, uppercase. HTTP method names, right? And then I'll probably link to. Well, I don't know how to say it. Is it Pepe? Pepe? I don't know. One or the other. We'll link to his thing here. Let me see. Okay, so do I like this Spork format? Oh man, I guess I just have to get used to it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh man. Oh, I saw something the other day, right? About closure formatting. What was it? Semantic, right? But I didn't really understand what it was. Introducing semantic. Before I go, semantic with the purpose of formatting. Okay, semantic is like this, right? And I don't think Spork format does that, does it? Let's look. Maybe it does. No, it doesn't. It's always indented, right? Yeah. I guess maybe I'll just get used to it. But yeah, this argument. So when without stir function call, yeah, this is it, right? Wide formatting. Yeah, and then this is fixed. Okay, yeah. Oh, I do fixed. I do fixed. I do fixed formatting all the time. I didn't even realize that it was called something. Function call spanning 3 lines. Oh, look at that. That's terrible. This is much better. It's obviously is a semantic between macros and regular functions. Visually tell them apart, ignoring the differences, and indenting everything the same way. Yep. I mean, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I mean, because when you define things, the name's up top, right? But this is what Spork format does. Yeah, like this is how it would be in Ruby, right? But here it is. Yeah, that's probably why I don't like it, right? All these years of Ruby on Rails programming. Yeah, indented and aligned. Yeah, because that's how you do it, right? In algol languages, you say function, right? And then you say hello world, right? And like all this, yeah, you do it like this, and there's no problem really, right? So you like you add, right, and you like 1 2 or something, right? I mean, in this case, you would just do it all like this because it's so short. But if it was long, right? And in Ruby, if I have a hash, it's more like, right, like this. Or sorry, that's Janet still. Yeah, it's more like this. Yeah. Yeah. It's something. That's, yeah, I don't know if I like Spore format. Maybe that's why you removed it. Because it really did a number on that, on this file. But yeah, I don't know, maybe. Let me look at it again. Let me look at it. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it makes logical sense, right? It makes logical sense. Every argument is on a new line. It makes sense in a function call. Even here, look at this. Even, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. But look at this. This is trailing. That's so weird. Why would it do that? Why wouldn't it put to do underneath? Yeah, maybe it doesn't understand that, what to do with that. Or if it's a symbol, it leaves it. Yeah, even this for each is indented. Wow. Yeah. Well, I wonder what you could do, right? Janet Spork, is that what it is? I don't even know if it's on. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, maybe there's no configuration. I'm out of T. Oh well. Maybe that's the whole point. There's no configuration because it needs to be like prettier, right? Prettier. Opinionated code formatter. It doesn't even have any examples on the thing. Try it online. Oh, okay. Oh man, that is ugly. Holy crap. Wow, is that what happens? Wow, that's hard to look at. I mean, that's probably because JSX is hard to look at. Yeah, just angle brackets, curly braces, parens. Man, look at this ternary operator. Oh, who came up with this? Who did this? Oh man. Oh wow. And then it aligns with the curly brace. Oh man, maybe this is like when you first see React and you're like, oh, look at that. What is this? What is all this? Yeah, maybe I just need to get used to it, right? I mean, if people have settled on this indentation style, I should probably, yeah, I don't want to be like that one cursive Lisp guy who's like, oh, I'm a special snowflake and I need things my way. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. How do you get this thing running? What is this? Import Spork format. There's some J format. That's what it is. Janet J format. Oh, I need some music. That's what I need. It's real quiet. Wait, what is this? Oh, Janet. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, isn't it here? 177 repositories. Holy crap! I thought I had a lot of repositories. How many do I have? 87. That's still pretty. It's still pretty bad. Yeah, I should probably. Oh, what is this? H? What? Just H? Are you serious? What is it supposed to be? H. I can't tell if he's trolling. Oh, it's hash. What the heck is H? He just wanted a single letter. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't even talk. You know what? You know what happened today? This is what happened today. I came up with this. Remember I was talking about this last stream actually. Yeah, I came up with this Tailwind. Like, you know, I hate Webpack and roll up and snowplow and is there snowplow even one? Is that snowplow? Is it Svelte? Is that what that is? Let's see. Oh man, Google, dude, you got it. Svelte.js. Yeah, snowplow is the analytics, not. It's like snowpack. Snowpack is what it is. Snowpack, and then there's like breakfast cereal and like what's another one? What's another of those package management things for JavaScript? Yeah, what's another one? I'm not sure. Like I hope I can see this chat. That would be annoying if I couldn't even see it. Okay, I think I can see it. What's another one? No, it was broccoli. Was it broccoli? JavaScript package manager? No, it wasn't broccoli. It was something. Let me see. Oh, maybe it is broccoli. Holy crap! It is. It is. There is one. The asset pipeline. Yeah, yeah. I hate all this. I hate all this stuff. Right? Like, I mean, who? No. Okay, so I saw today though, or last stream I talked about this. Right? I just want to set this up before I do this. CSS and JS. No, it was why I love Tailwind. That's what it was. Okay. Yeah. So here it is. Right. This is it in one little snippet. You take the TW attribute and it at build time, right? Because there's no compiling, right? It turns that into a styled component. And it takes the CSS out of Tailwind, right? And it does that. So it was really funny because I did that already, right? Let's see. Let's look at this. Okay. So yeah, I did that here, right? With Janet, and I take the normalize out, right? So I have a minified. You have a minified Tailwind that you can generate from the Tailwind CLI, right? And I take that and oh, you know what? I don't know if you can see that new page, but let me switch this thing to the other. I have like multiple editors open. Actually, I'll just keep the one editor and just add project. Yeah, wherever this thing is. Oh, there it is. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, I did that here, right? I have all the media queries. At least I think I have them. And then all of this insanity, right? It looks horrible. And then I have this parsing expression grammar. And then I just take the normalize. It's a dirty hack, right? But it works, so I left it. And it's very similar, right? Can I see Markdown preview? Oh my gosh. Oh man, Adam. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it's very similar, right? You point it at your Tailwind CSS file, which is minified. It needs to be minified. That's the only thing. And then you put TW style in here, and then you pass it the current URL, and then you could, by page, you could just set what Tailwind classes you're using with TW class. And this also runs at compile time or build time. So yeah, it's a macro, right? And then, so right when the server starts, it does it. Here, I'll just show you what it looks like. I have an example. See, generating Tailwind styles, right? Oh, you know what? Let me make that bigger. Let me make Adam bigger too. I always forget that. Okay, that's much bigger. That's much better. Bigger is better. Let me do this on this terminal too. It's probably going to be a short one. Now that I'm looking at it, I was really late. I was super late today. Supposed to start at 8 Mountain Time, but instead started at 9, kind of. Okay, let me, there we go. That's huge. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, terminal? Oh, there, I just saw it. Sorry, I'm like configuring OBS on the fly. There we go. Now you can see. So yeah, generating tailwind styles, right? Hopefully you can see that. Did you see that? Oh. Okay, well, oh, there it is. Generating tailwind styles, right. And then this is the world's worst application, but what are you gonna do? Here, I'll show you what it looks like in here first, and then in the browser first, and then I'll show you what it looks like in code. So the coolest thing is this link is blue, this link is purple, right? So there's some shared styles going on, but oh, you know what? You don't want to look that minified. Okay, so here's the Tailwind normalize bit, right? There it is, right? Good to go. And then here are the classes, right? Just like normal, right? And then, so here you'll notice that text purple 500, right? But the other page, the index page, does not have purple. It has blue. So if you look at the style again, right? It's here, right? Somewhere. Oh, there it is. Text blue, but no text purple, right? So all the Tailwind classes are scoped to their respective pages. Or I guess even if you did like Ajax or whatever. Actually, I'm not sure how that would work with Ajax. Yeah. I should probably figure that out. Yeah, maybe that's why no one does this. Anyway, yeah, there it is. Sweet. Actually, can you return? Let's look that up. Return style tag with Ajax request? I don't think you can. Content does not take styles of the page. Ooh, it's not looking good. Style sheets that you do not recognize. Const ignore everything. Exact code. Let's see. Card, script container. Okay, I don't understand this. What is this? I don't get what's happening there. What? Oh, music. Yeah. I'll just use SoundCloud because, you know, it doesn't hurt me with the ads. Even though I feel like the YouTube stuff is better, but the ads are killer. Oh yeah, yesterday when I switched my DNS settings, the stream did cut off. It was like a 2 minute stream. That was funny. All right. Okay, let me see. Unminus. Electronic. What is this? Blue sky. Oh wow. That's something. Turn it down a little bit. Sure. Oh man, it's so bad. Maybe I'll just deal with the ads. Wait, is there a way to get YouTube ad free? Maybe I should pay. I don't know. Oh, I just did something. I need to, what is that? What is trip hop? Oh, yeah. Just trying to find something that's not terrible. Acoustic guitar. Oh, this isn't bad. I like this. Yeah, this is good. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, assuming that this will work with Ajax, with HTML over the wire, right? You don't want to say Ajax because it's not a cool word anymore. But yeah, can you new styles with Ajax? How do I update style? I want to add a style tag. Like, I don't want to just, I want to send new styles with the HTML. Like, I don't want to have it, I don't want to have styles that I'm not going to use. Or I guess for Ajax, you could say, okay, this is going to be a part of this page. Yeah, it's not a big deal. But yeah, this is really cool. It's definitely, and it saves you, like, it's all the, just the styles you need for that page, which is really, really cool. Like, it saves you the round trip. So I thank you to this Max Stoiber. Thank you, Max Stoiber, for that. Appreciate it. For that idea that I copped in Janet. So that's good. All right, back to Osprey, right? What was I doing? Yes. I was going to show you the code, right? So, okay. I made like a little bit of an improvement to this. So this is the TW stuff. So yeah, after everything, I made an OK function. So the status 200. And then you give it this. Actually, you know what? If we were gonna format that like the, just be like, how does it do it with one though? Let me get JFormat real quick. I keep getting distracted. Let me install that. Okay, it's got to be in here somewhere. I know he has it. Andrew, I know you have it. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Now I have to like set up something. Oh, I can just JPM install. This is JPM install, right? JFormat. Oh my gosh, it's not in the repository. Maybe I'll add it. Give it a good old pull request, right? Is it PKGS, right? Okay. Oh yeah, it's not in there. Oh, there's a pull request. Add JDN loader. Okay, let me see. JPM install. GitHub. Chambers, JFMT. Okay, there it is. So if I give, let's just reset this. JFormat, examples, right? Okay, did I actually format that or no? Did I not do that? Oh wow, what just happened? Maybe I did that wrong. Let me see. How do you use this thing? Oh, format files in place. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay. Just give it the file name. Okay. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it actually mangled the name of this function. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Maybe it's because it's don't save, right? Oh, there it is. It's better. It's better. I think I was like in the middle of stuff. Let me try this one more time. Let me close it. Reset again, right? Okay. Oh, okay. There it is. Yeah. Oh, it left the spaces too. That's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I've been experimenting with spaces because I feel like this Lisp is like, it's very like condensed or whatever. But this does it pretty well. You don't need those spaces anymore. Okay, so yeah, I see why people are using def, because my goodness, like, wow. Yeah, you don't want to, it really gets there fast, quickly. Like, you really go off the side of the screen, like, very quickly. So you definitely don't want to use let, right? Because, yeah, if this formatter does it like that, wow. Actually, let's try it. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Let x1 inc x. And we'll see what it does. Oh, it doesn't change it. Oh. Oh, it leaves that? What is it? Does it bring it back? Oh my gosh, it does. Let is 2, but wait, I'm so confused. I don't know the rules of this thing. Alright, well, I thought I understood it, but maybe I don't. These, though, these function calls, or macro calls or whatever they are, those are definitely indented. They're very indented. That's okay. I'll get used to it. Oh, this for some reason, though, is 2. Is 2 in. Oh. Huh. Oh, this one, too. It didn't actually change this. I might be pushing it to its limit. You never know. All right. Yeah, it looks okay, I guess. It's really indented. It's not really what I had in mind, I guess. Like, I just thought, it'll be like Sinatra, right? You know, do Hello World 2, right? 2 after. Yeah. Maybe I don't like this. Maybe I will be that guy. Maybe I will be that special snowflake guy. And everyone just like abandons my projects. They're like, oh, this guy doesn't follow the rules. Doesn't follow the formatting rules. Come on. I'll just leave it for now, since I haven't done it on really anything. But it's nice to know that it's there, I guess, if I decide that I'm wrong and I just need to get with the program. I do need to get with the program. I'll get with the program eventually. Eventually I will do that. All right. Now that I closed all those and this, it's time to get going. Okay. So, Osprey, right? The next thing I was going to do in this change log was, yes, give credit. Give credit where credit is due. Let me see, close pull request. That's what I was going to do. Okay. Yes. I think I'll just say at, right? Let's do at. I mean, maybe it'll get it in the markdown when it renders. Okay, so let me see. Unreleased, I guess. It's all unreleased, right? Sinatra like API, right? There you go. What else was I doing? Oh, right. I added the OK helper and the content type. And OK helper. Add content type helpers. Okay, other escape function. Add content type functions. Should I give an example? What do you do? Oh, maybe I'll just point to it, right? What does backpacking do? Let's see. Let's take that. This is so soothing. My goodness. I might fall asleep with this thing. Jeez. It's good. It's good, man. It's freaking solid. Oh, okay. There's no examples. You just give. Yeah. Add OK. Add content type. Add text, HTML, application JSON. Oh, this is getting better already. A little more detailed. I like it. Content type functions. Okay, cool. I kind of want to try out the JSON. Oh no! JSON decode. Oh, because I got rid of it. Yeah, did I put JSON in here? I don't think I did, right? Why would you, what if you're not gonna do a JSON API, right? I think, yeah, let me do this, import JSON. I think it's better to have it out instead of in. Hello. Oh geez, what did I just do? Oh, I just closed the terminal. I gotta bring that back on OBS now. What was I? Oh, JSON API. Okay, so it is running. I think it was just the browser like freaked out. No, it did it. The browser did not freak out. Oh, because I had this backwards. Okay. It's working now. Let me show you the terminal. The right terminal. There it is. See? I told you it's working. I told you. The tabs don't change in OBS. That's interesting. Alright. To-dos. Empty. Empty array. Give it a post. Does it still work? Let's see. To-dos. Give it some data. one. Oh, wow. Is that, no. I have to do dash dash? Oh, yeah, that I need to post. Dash dash D is ambiguous. Okay, well, oh, there it is. Alright, sweet. Server didn't fall over completely. That's good. That's good that it didn't fall over. Sweet. Sweet. I mean, it did a little bit, right? String split on that. It's interesting. Oh, because I sent it nil for the verb. I should probably, or the method. Let's see. Does delete work? Delete. Just give it, you just keep giving it 0, right? So you get down 0. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's not good. Internal server error. Get out of here, man. Oh, it's not working. What the heck? Let's see. What did I do wrong? Oh, this is changed to a get. What? Why did I do that? It's weird. Oh. Huh. What? Am I crazy? Oh, right. Yeah, I have to put all that back. Okay, now let's try that. There we go. 0, 0. Perfect. And then if I do that, it'll give me, yeah, nothing. Okay, cool. All right. Sweet. Sweeta. That's a weird inside joke that I say. I should probably stop saying that, actually. Okay, let me update this example. JSON API. Oh, wow, I have a lot of things to be committed. Let me do one thing at a time. Let me add the change log. Add change log. And then I'll do the example, the JSON API example. Yep, got rid of add header. So I'm not even gonna put that in the change log. It's like it never existed. Oh, you know what? I will put that in the change log since Pepe was using it. I feel like I always say this in past streams, and I never get it right. Okay. Okay function for helper for status 200. All right. What else? Oh. Remove add header function. All right. I'm just not gonna save that. Update JSON API. Okay. Oh, I gotta turn on my do not disturb. There we go. That's much better. Jed's trolling on the stream, you know. Let me see. Oh, I gotta update. Oh, he said he was gonna update the, but I already did. Yeah. Update readme. Let me see. Change log. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this. Just a bunch of commits, bunch of random commits. Pepe, like he reads like every commit. It's crazy. Like I don't understand. I should just flood him with commits, then he won't read anymore. He'll be like, oh, Sean, F that guy. I'm not gonna read that. I'm not gonna read those anymore. I'm not gonna read his commits. Let me see what else. Oh yeah, this is good to go, right? What's changed on this? Nothing? What? Oh, there's a line that was added, deleted. Another? What was there? Was it a space? Oh, whatever, man. Whatever. Okay. Let me do examples HTML. Oh, it was the add header. Yeah. Git commit. Update basic HTML examples. And I'll just assume they still work. That's probably fine, right? Just push it, whatever. Just push things randomly. There we go. Let's see, project, remove. Oh, you know what? URI. Was I still importing that somewhere? Let me see. I don't think I was. Oh, I am. In form. What do I need it for? Unescape. Do I want that in the thing? I guess I do, right? I mean, yeah, because you want to unescape things, right? Yeah, maybe I still need that. Yeah, I'm not sure what should be in this and what should be not in this, right? Sinatra has it, right? I'm pretty sure Sinatra has a bunch of stuff that that isn't gems. Let's see. It's cool that they got Sinatra. That's pretty cool. Back when GitHub was younger, in the younger days, Perform CSRF tokens. Oh wow, Perform. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, I should just take theirs. I guess they did their own implementation outside of Rails. Wow. Man, could you imagine being Sinatra to Rails? Oh, man, you must feel depressed. It's just depressing. Oh, they actually have a date. Oh yeah, I'm doing unreleased, right? Okay, let me see. Examples. Oh, there are examples. That's cool. Rainbows.conf. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. What is this? I don't know. Simple. Yep. Oh, it is a function. And a block. Look at that. I don't know. Jan doesn't really have blocks, though. I guess it's all parens, right? You don't need a block. Stream.ru. These examples are random. Wow. Let me see. Lib. Sinatra. Base. What's base? Oh, they do have a bunch of stuff. Rack protection. Oh, I wish I had something like that in Janet. Rack protection is it's cool. Oh, project has been merged upstream. Oh, they just inlined it, right? Where's outside of lib though? Oh, Sinatra rack protection. There it is. Look at that. Typical web attacks, all rack apps, including Rails. Oh, there it is. Yeah, cross-site request forgery. I should put all of the. I should make this. Cookie tossing, IP spoofing, strict transport. Yeah, I should bring this over. I should just look at this in depth and just one for one line of Ruby to one line of Janet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't see. Let's look at the gem file. Rack test. Oh, okay, rack is the thing, right? Rack is the thing that does all the stuff, right? But get Ruby rack or something. Let's see. Rack. Wow, I can't believe they got rack. Wow, that's really good. A modular Ruby web server interface. I want to use Circlet, right? But look at that license. Look at it. Look at this license. GNU GPL v2, right? What does that mean? It means you have to make the other things. Oh, you know what? GitHub is a much better GitHub license. Oh, here, if I'm gonna add like a license, right? Let me see, I can just do it here. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to do anything. GitHub has everything. I have to just say license, and then it says choose a template, and then it'll tell you. Oh, this is v3. Look at that. License and copyright notice, commercial use, modification, patent use, and then I think it says our condition on making available complete source code of licensed works, which include larger works using a licensed work. License and copyright notice. Disclose source. Same license. Yeah. See, that's... Yeah. So it's like the viral license, right? this is just nothing. Like, you can do whatever you want. I love the MIT license. I love it. Oh, the unlicensed is cool. I also like the WTF license too. DWTF or whatever. This one doesn't even have conditions. Dude, this is incredible. Public domain. That's kind of what you're doing with the MIT license though, right? Oh, license and copyright notice. Oh, look at that. Oh. Well, it's almost there though, right? Almost like public domain. That's crazy. Yeah, the public domain. That's cool. But yeah, I wish there was like a rack for Janet that was circlet, but like not GPL. Because I bet you rack. Let's look at it. What's the license? MIT. It even says MIT. Look at that. Leah near Kurchin. Wait, that's weird. Wait, the rack person? Wait, is this the same person that was in the Janet chat? There's no way, right? That crazy? Let me see. Let's look. That's crazy, right? I remember seeing that picture. Let's look at the people. See all the people. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Wow, look at that. Dude. Janet. It's getting huge, you know? The person who Leah Eyes. Oh wow. It took over a rack a year ago. Interesting. This is crazy. I never look at this. I never look at this. I literally have like been paid real money to work on top of this open source thing, and I've never even looked at it. Mime. I should do more of this. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. You have to. You have to do that. I did that. What else have I done? Query parser. Look at that. That's something. Wow, this is all in Ruby. No wonder Rails is so slow. Dang. Let me see. Request. Dude, I don't feel too bad now. I mean, like, I've been working on Halo 2, right? Which, I mean, now that I'm thinking about it from my childhood, Halo 2, right? Yeah, look at that. I don't feel too bad now because, I mean, this is basic. Like it works kind of. Like it parses headers and stuff. But yeah, I mean, look at this. it's a peg, but it's literally just like to the colon, and then it just gives you. Actually, it gives you an array, and then I think I ruin it by turning it into a table because it doesn't squash the incoming request headers to an array, even though it should. But it's funny because today, right, or yesterday, this happened, right, which I was super confused about. I was like, oh, what are you talking about? Parse headers? I'm not parsing any headers. That's in Halo. And they were asking about this project. I was in the notification. I was just like, what? Halo? There's a problem with HTTP headers in Halo? But there wasn't. It was just this project. And yeah, so I figured that out, right? Merge table. They did this reduce, which it makes every one an array. There's nothing wrong with that. But then you have to unarray things, right? If there's only one. So I just did it at the if here. I did it here. This is actually really bad that I'm looking at it. Yeah, I even said it. Okay, well. Sometimes you just say stuff on GitHub with GitHub notifications and you look like a dummy. You know, sometimes that happens. That can happen. It's been known to happen. Alright, man, I really gotta go through Rack and like figure out how they do things. I should reverse engineer this. Maybe I shouldn't reverse engineer this. Huh. Man, this is a crazy amount of code. It's insanity. Oh, these are the X forwarded. There's probably stuff in here from like years ago. July 14th. Look at this history. 77 contributors. Jeez. Yeah. That's crazy. I can't believe that. From Germany, too. We're all over the world, You know, we're everywhere. Developers, software engineers, we're all over. Started in, you know, some lab somewhere, right? On the East Coast or something. And now software's everywhere. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that in there. Actually, no, that's fine. I think it's Janet URI, right? Let's see. Project Janet. Okay. Now I just want to get rid of JSON because I don't need it anymore. I started with like, oh, how do you do JSON? I have like a function and it was like JSON. And then I was like, ugh, I don't know if I like that. Yeah, because what if you don't have any JSON, right? Yeah, my goal is to keep it pretty lean. I don't want it to be like Joy has everything. It has the whole kitchen sink, you know. So this I would like to keep it a little leaner, like, you know, Sinatra. Keep it quick, you know, fast. But I started to go a little crazy, right? I think here I did something on router, right? I just wanted to see if it would work. I'll probably delete it, but yeah, it does work. You can do scoped vars with before and after, as long as they're in this same function. And all you have to do is call add logging, and it works. It freaking works. I can't believe it. I was like, that is the simplest thing. Like, what was I doing with middleware? Like, I was over here from like 2014, like Ring, right? I was like, oh, Ring, I have to do middleware. Oh, what the heck? Oh, what happened to the thing? Oh, did I ruin this somehow? Oh man, like OBS is freaking out. What? Come on, OBS. Put me in the background. Oh. But yeah. Yeah, OBS has like, see, oh, there we go. Okay, it's back. I was just watching the stream. Yeah. I just can't believe it worked, you know? It's crazy. Okay. Oh yeah, for some reason it's not showing Adam. That's really weird. That's probably a sign, right? It's probably a sign that, oh, there we go, that I should not use Adam. Yeah. All right. What's our remove JSON dep? What else? What else? Oh yeah, I'm getting into this. Let's look at what's in source. Oh yeah, I did some of this stuff. Okay, yep. Let me do those separately. No. Yes. No. Yes. I think that's part of the add headers. Oh yeah, let's use in the new stuff. I'm gonna do that separate too. Okay, remove add header, change, use OK helper function. Sure. Let me see. This convenience method, right? Add HTML prefixed. Encode and functions. Just say functions. What else? Yes, these commit messages are the worst. They're terrible. Oh. Source. Route URI add. And route URI to. I think I added. What else did I add? Let me look at that one more time. Route and route URI. Add route info to request. Yeah, I think I should have gotten the hint, because Clojure web interceptors, that's what they call them, right? What is an pedestal, right? This is, oh man, this website's still the same. I love it. With the GIF. I like this GIF though. Yeah, it's very data oriented. But yeah, I should have gotten the hint, right? What is an interceptor? It says a place to put things. And then, so this, right? It's this thing, enter, and it has a function. And then there's like an leave and an error, right? And there's like this whole concept of like a queue and a stack. And you can like manipulate the queue. It's very strange wording. Manipulate. Who says manipulate? Who even writes manipulate, right? Who says manipulate? Unless you're talking about someone who's like really trying to scam people or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I should have gotten the hint, right? That the middleware, not necessarily the best way to do things. It's very simple, right? But yeah, it's very confusing. It was always confusing for me. Like, which order is it running in, right? I mean, I'm not like a genius, right? So maybe that's why I didn't get it. But yeah, this before and after thing, yeah, it's good. I even added its joy first with the before and after middleware, which is strange. But yeah, middleware is not the only way, right? You can just keep a list of functions and just execute them later. So yeah. Oh, this is good. Let me see. Make app public. Make app function public. So yeah, why I made the app function public. Make app public. I made it public because what am I doing? If you want to use a different server, right, than the built-in one, you can, right? What's funny is I can even probably get rid of this and make a generator with new projects, and then just do that, just add that as a dependency to the project. And then server, yeah, but you just want to install one thing, right? I just want to install one thing. I want to do JPM install Osprey, right? Then be done. That's it. Or add it to as a dependency, just one dependency, and it gives you a server. So, but I did make this public, right? Because then you could pass it to Circlet instead of Halo here. So you don't need it, even though Halo will just be sitting around. But when Halo 2 is out, dude, it's good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Better than Halo 2, the video game. Okay, way better. All right, more entertaining, just more Master Chief. All right, yes, all that stuff. Wait, what other changes are there? Oh, yeah, okay. And then what else? That's it? Oh, render. Yeah, I need to do that. So I'm stuck on two things really now. Before this thing is done. It's not super necessary, but I do want to have this cool object-oriented database thing, which is separate. It's separate from Osprey, but yeah, I want this too. Which I started doing it, right? There it is. Here it is. So what I came up with was create table, right? And then there's like some Rails style helpers, but they're just functions. And they just output SQL, and they output a little bit of SQL and some metadata that I could use to build the object, right? So yeah, and then you could do stuff like this, right? Like just like kind of like Active Record, but not as invasive, I guess. So yeah, it outputs the SQL, right? or it outputs the SQL and the metadata. And then I'm going to mix, right? So usually it's like the SQL's over there. So the SQL and then, or the migrations and the database schema are in one like section of the app. And then you have your model section. Let me just make sure I don't look like a total idiot looking. Okay. So you have your one section that's schema. Then you have your other section that is, this mic is like really, there we go. You have your other section that is, that's your model, right? And your model like sits on top of the database schema. But why? I want to move quickly. I want to move very quickly. And what I'm going to do instead is combine them together, because to me, it feels like duplication, right? It's like I have to define the database schema, and then I have to define. So like, I mean, I look at Prisma, right? No, not Prism. Prisma or something. I don't know. I mean, I shouldn't look at the JavaScript ecosystem for this, but what are you going to do? Next generation ORM. So yeah, if you look at this, right? What do they do? So okay, so there's some kind of SQLite starter project, right? And they also do this. It's separate, right? Like the migrations are separate, but there is something here that you don't have to do migrations docs. Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on? How do I get to the freaking thing? Database. Okay, wow. Quick Prisma introduction. Oh, here we go. Prisma schema, client, migrate, preview. So imperative database schema that enables you to make changes, right? Auto-generated based on schema changes. So, but are fully customizable. So I'm gonna do that too, right? just like the Tailwind thing. See, JavaScript ecosystem, it's not all bad, right? I mean, I don't want to sell it short or whatever. Okay, why do I keep adjusting this? All right. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end in like 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna combine these into one, right? So like, you know, you have like I should just say has one users, and then that'd be like many, right? Many tags or something, right? And then you could do something similar where you can like do has many through. You just do many, and then you give it multiple. So yeah, I like active record model definitions, but I don't like that it's separate. So this thing, when the application runs, it's going to generate a bunch of migrations, and I'm not sure if I want them in files or what, but probably, right? I mean, just for tradition or something. I don't know. Probably want migration files, right? I mean, where else would you keep the migrations? You could keep them in the database, but then when you deploy your app, it's like you have two different databases, right? Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do. So yeah, I probably generate migration files. That's what I was thinking. So you'll generate migration files, and then when you add columns, you know, as long as SQLite or whatever the underlying database can support that, like if you added this, it would make a new migrate, and when you ran it in development for the first time, it would make a new migration. And then not only that, but you can say, you know what, run migrations, right? And then so when it runs again, it'll make the migration first from this create table, and then it'll have the diff, right? It'll keep the diff of like this one was just added, text hello, this column with a text type, and then it'll run the new migration. This all happens in development, right? So when you go to production, it won't regenerate, right? That's one thing that, well, no, Joy does that too, because I had that problem. It kept generating the schema.sql when it didn't really need to. So yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. But anyway, yeah, so it'll generate the migrations. It'll generate a schema file so people can see. And then I also have to fix Joy to append those semicolons to the end of that SQL. So you can, I didn't realize that you needed semicolons to import with SQLite, but I guess I do now. So yeah, someone pointed that out to me. Yes, and then run migrations. Actually, you know what? Here, I'll show you where it was. Let me see. It was this one, I think. Let me see. Yeah. Oh no, it was Janet Docs. Yeah. Let me see. I really gotta work on that. Yeah, the see also links, which are really cool, right? That happened today, right? So you go to like return, and it says see also prompt, and you go prompt, and it says see also return. So yeah, someone did that today. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Felixer, thank you, Felixer. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Cool. What's DeepMind? Wait, isn't DeepMind that deep learning thing? Whoa, that's weird. Cool. Well, Felix, appreciate it. Thank you. London, we're all over. All over. Europe, America, whatever, man. You can be in Idaho, you know, doing whatever you're doing. Farming. I don't know what you're doing in Idaho. I don't know what I'm doing in Idaho. All right. So yeah, I didn't realize you need these semicolons to do that, but Felix helpfully pointed that out. SQLite, and you could get the schema just like that. Man, I mean, it's crazy because like Rails like takes over and it like does all this stuff, but it just defers to the tools, right? That's what's funny about Rails, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, run migrations, and then yeah. Oh, I guess you can just do it and say when, you know, OS get env or something, right? You know, right? Equals development. Actually, you do want to run migrations. Just run them. Just run them all the time. I do it, right? My script. It's funny because like I feel like you always want to run migrations, right? When you deploy. Anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm working on with this database thing. And then the last piece that actually is related to Osprey, and I could like finally give it a 1.0, even though Joy is not 1.0. Oh, you know what? I did this. This is dumb. I need to change this. Yes, this is better already. Text HTML, right? Good. Okay. Okay. So yeah. One thing I need to do is, yeah, this is like the whole thing. HTML database. I should call it full example or full HTML example. Full realistic, maybe. I don't know. That's probably fine. Yeah. Oh, the last thing, right? Oh, it's 10. I have to go. But right before I go, the last thing is render. Render is tricky, right? Because I was thinking if you need to re-render one of these guys, like if I need to re-render this form, oh yeah, I guess I can see it kind of. I don't know. I gotta get used to it. No, I guess kind of. I mean, it makes sense. The indentation. It makes sense. I really have to get used to it. All right. Yes, but render. Right. This is gonna be tricky because I want to call this again, this form, but I feel like I should also run all the before things, right? And then I want to pass an argument, dictionary, and then have it so that you can access that here. But then does it like override, like if you set a thing in before and then you re-render? You know what? What does Sinatra do? Let's look at that real quick before I go. Okay, let's see, routes, blah blah blah. Okay, a lot of routing. Conditions, which, yeah, maybe eventually, I don't know, we'll see. Return values. Oh wow, they actually, you can return any object. So you can return a status setter's response body. Alright, with 2 elements. Interesting, I didn't realize it was an array. It's even a tighter representation than the dictionary. All but, okay, static files, use templates. Yeah, but how do you re-render, right? Let me see. How do you do it? Yield and nested layouts. I feel like I'm getting closer, right? Inline templates. What's funny is I think even Ruby, the hiccup style is catching on. It's just blocks, but yeah, it's interesting. I mean, after using React, I feel like people are like, oh yeah, this is good. Put the HTML right in the stuff, right? Don't keep it in a file. Before, after, helpers. How do you, oh, def bar. Okay. Using sessions, session security, session middleware, halting, halt, this will be the body. Passing, what is that? Punt to the next matching route. Oh, you know what? That's interesting. Maybe I should do that. Triggering another route. Oh, triggering another route. Instead, you would like to get the result of calling another. Simply use call. Call. Env merge? What the heck is that? To be sent to the same application instance rather than a duplicate. Use call instead of call. Call env. It's similar, I guess. So yeah. Call env merge. That's really not that great. It is possible to set the status code with the return value. However, you might want to set the body an arbitrary point. Whoa, that's confusing. Wow. Oh, and then you could do headers too. Streaming responses. Oh man, what? That's really cool. And it's something that I don't think Janet can do yet. I mean, maybe with the EV stuff, but I have to look at that. I'm not sure. I'm not like super sure how it works. Stream keep open, do out connections. Whoa, this is crazy. Wow. Logger, okay. That was pretty much it. Browser redirect, right? Okay, redirect to. Add them to or use a session. Okay, so you set things in the session. Caching. ERB article. ERB new article. Okay, create. Yeah, I don't really talk about it, I guess. I guess call is your best bet. But for this, render is what I was thinking. But yeah, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do it. I'll probably look up, because I have that data, right? When I did add route, I have the route string or whatever, the URI. And then I have the method too, which, yeah, this might not be enough information, right? Render, I might have to say, yeah, because you can have, a bunch of different, you can have post to do, and then which one would you render? I guess you just render the get, right? Yeah, it's interesting. I didn't really think about that. But I don't know. I mean, yeah, because it's not super clear, you know, because there's no name. Yeah, I guess probably. Yeah, I don't know if I want to say get, right? Maybe I do have to do something like this, right? Yeah, I'm not sure how that's gonna work. I guess I could just say, yeah, only get, right? Render only calls get functions, and then it kind of stays decent looking, the API. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. But yeah, that's the last piece. And then yeah, and then see the route URI. That's why you have to pass a dictionary, right? So it like keeps it clean or whatever. But you can add anything, right? I was just thinking dictionary because this could have errors, right? If you try to update or maybe change or whatever, I don't know what you want to call it. But yeah, that's it. After render, and then Flash. But after that, I think it's good. I think it's good to go for like a 1.0, right? And then just keep going crazy with the versioning. Yeah. And then since there's not that many moving parts, I almost feel like you can do almost anything with before and after and this set thing. Like I feel like you can do a lot. And I like enjoy. You can do a lot, but I think it's the middleware is so confusing that people aren't gonna they don't do a lot, right? But yeah, hopefully with this and this and Osprey in general, I can fulfill my dream of a single file web server that is written in Janet. I think I could do this in Joy, but it's a little more complicated, right? And it'll be cool to see the schema definition, right, in code in the same file. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this bit. It's going to have this object-oriented like interface for tables and things. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do there. But yeah, it's going to be something like this, I think. Yeah. Something. I don't know. It's gonna be something. Maybe I'll just rip off what I did for Coast, bring that in here. But yeah, it's gonna do something. Yeah. But anyway, 10:09. Oh man. You start late, end late. Okay, that's the stream. Thanks for watching. Thanks everyone for the pull requests and stuff. It's great. It's amazing. Yeah, it feels good not to just be doing all this myself. All right, that's it. I will see you next week on Tuesday. I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I think next Thursday I have something. No. Even next Thursday I'll be here. Tuesday. Be there or be. Yeah. All right. See ya.